Here's the big one. All right, so we are at Rocky Knob today. Figured I'd show y'all what I call the pain loop. It's basically 2 trips to the top, ride most of the trails here. Should be a pretty good one. Weather is fantastic today. Gotta take advantage of it. I decided to ride the hardtail today. Usually you want something with a little more travel, but figured we'd be climbing a lot today, and I've ridden this place a lot on the hardtail recently, so should go pretty well. I will say on trails like Jumbo Shrimp and Black Forest, having no rear suspension is kind of a pain, but we make it work. This climb has a bunch of punchy maneuvers. Try and get them all. Whew. Getting close to the top now. Black Forest on the right. Be on that later today. Oh man, that one's hard. All right, we've made it to the top of Rocky Knob. I think for the first lap, we're gonna go ahead and drop into Jumbo Shrimp. It's a blue trail. It should be a good time. All right, the first lap of the day is gonna be on Jumbo Shrimp. This is a blue trail off the top of the mountain. It's full of gaps and all sorts of fun little features, so try and hit as much as we can. Woo. Woo. If you haven't noticed, it's very leafy out. So I'm a little pressed for grip on this one. Man, on days like this, it's really hard to see the trail underneath you when you're riding. Oh my God. Whew, that's a really big rock. Oh man. Gotta love a nice roto tunnel. Things are so cool. All right, we made it to the top again. You know what that means. Time to ride some Black Forest. All right. Black Forest time. I will say, on the hardtail, this trail's spicy. Woo. Ooh, it's spicy on this bike. Oh man. Woo. So many drops. This trail's sick though. First gnarly one. Whew. All right, here's the big one. Oh my God. That is insane on a hardtail. Holy crap. In the stone soup now. I'd say this one is just as hard as Black Forest on the hardtail, honestly. It's so rough. All right, time for Rocky Knob's big black jump line, PBJ. Man, that was a pretty fun little ride out on the old hardtail. Definitely a spicy choice for a place like Rocky Knob, but it's always good fun.